If you're a barber and you're experiencing burnout, or if you're a new barber and you want to learn how to avoid burnout in general, I'm going to go over 3 ways to help you prevent it. Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you're new to this channel is all about helping you become a better barber. So stick around, and if you get any value out of this video, I ask that you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Now let's dive into this list. Number 1, you need to make sure that you're wearing comfortable shoes. As a barber, you're going to be on your feet for a long period of time. Now having good shoes will help alleviate back pain and leg fatigue. Now, I know a lot of barbers have their own style and swagger, but I strongly recommend choosing comfort over style. Now, I'm not endorsing a specific shoe brand, but personally, the brands that I found that work best for me are New Balance, Adidas Ultra Boost, Hoka or however you pronounce it. They're the shoes with the really thick soles. They're really comfortable. And if you want to go for more of the stylish and professional look, Cole Haan is a good brand as well. I also use comfort insoles in my shoes just for added support. Moving on to tip number 2, stretching. Yes, stretching. If you know that you have a long day ahead of you, stretch 5 minutes before, during your lunch break, and after you finish cutting. You will be amazed at the difference that this makes. As a barber, you're often in that same position with your neck bent down. This makes your back tight, your lower back tight, your legs will get fatigued. So when you're in the same position, if you stretch your neck, your back, your lower back, and your hamstrings, it will really make a difference. I strongly recommend getting a foam roller. And like I said, do this 5 minutes before, during your lunch break, and after you finish cutting. This will really help to loosen those muscles and increase that blood flow. Being on your feet 8+ hours a day, there's really no way to completely eliminate back pain or leg fatigue, but using these things will definitely help aid in alleviating the symptoms. Now, before I move on to the 3rd and final tip, be sure to check out the Barber Style Directory Amazon page. If you want to know what all equipment I use in my videos and what equipment I use on a daily basis as a barber, click the link in the description to shop all of your essential barber supplies. You'll find capes, combs, brushes, razors, anything barber related. I pretty much buy all of my barber supplies off of Amazon, so I put together a list. So if you click that link in the description, it'll show you a full list of all barber supplies. So finally, if you find yourself cutting extremely long days, you may want to consider switching to an appointment-based system. The major benefit of an appointment-based system is that it allows you to set the number of people that you want to cut per day. This way, you know how many people you're going to cut before the day even starts, you know how much money you're going to make, and you know when you get to call it a day. I remember when I was taking walk-ins, I would cut until 11 or 12 o'clock at night, just burning myself out. But when I switched to appointment-based systems, I actually made more money and I was less tired. And the major benefit, in my opinion, is that you get to set your own hours. The only thing about using an appointment-based system, as a barber, you have to be professional and make sure that you honor the appointment times. I've heard several horror stories about barbers losing clients because they had a 1 o'clock appointment, but they didn't get in the chair until 1:45. Another benefit is that you don't have a bunch of people calling and texting your phone because the app automates everything. And there are several different options out there. Comment below if you guys want me to go into more detail about barber booking apps, and I'll do that in a future video. Well, that wraps up this video. Once again, if you got something valuable, I ask that you hit that like button. Comment below what other videos you guys want to see. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all on the next video.